That's why you have that on. That's why you have that on.
You know, I live in my college dorm with my cat, and she's always sitting at this door like something is there, and it freaks me out. And I learned the other day it's because people like to sit here and play with the cat under the goddamn door. Oh my god, now come back. No.
Bonjour, est-ce que je peux vous aider?
Yes, sir. I'd like to take your statement.
Yeah, don't be shy. Dance some more. Dance some more. Don't be shy. Dance some more. Don't be shy.
Show him your face.
Oh, go up the pole, baby. Yeah. Yeah.
High five. High five. Put her there. Give me some skin.
My cat has just been sitting in front of my mirror like this. Just checking himself out periodically for the past 10 minutes.
So I took a video where I was training Pebbles to jump on my chest, and she started smelling my belly button. But I watched it back and noticed she made that face. What's wrong with my belly button?
Want to keep going? No? Okay, truce. Ah, you...